Yeah, good evening, viewers. This is BVI Channel 1. I am Asu Channel Peters. Tonight is going to be a very special one to all our viewers across the globe and across all social media platforms where I am streaming from. Tonight it's my pleasure to announce to you that we've started streaming on TikTok. I'm streaming on TikTok. I'm also streaming on Facebook, our Facebook page, BVI Channel 1. I'm streaming also on our backup YouTube channel, BVI Channel 1 Plus. And also on our main channel, BVI Channel 1. You must also know we are also streaming on our Instagram platform, BVI Channel 1. Okay, so from whatever platform you're watching from or wherever you're watching from, this is my first time on TikTok, and I just hope we will all enjoy the experience. And our main focus is to bring undiluted truth across board to everyone. Tonight, I'll be covering some few stories that have been trending through this week, beginning with the VDM and Blord war of words and supremacy with respect to iPhone 17, and that was newly launched. Okay, I'm going to take you through that very story. Many of you, some of you though, might have seen some of these videos. Then when we come back, we're going to critically look into it to ascertain the true nature of things. All right. Let's quickly get to that very video. And when I come back, we will actually dive into the matters that is arising. All right, let's get there. I'll be right back.
Hey guys, so this is Blord. This phone's just arrived now. Brand new SR. Brand new iPhone XR that was modified to 17 Pro. Brother, this phone is sealed. They don't seal them. Now let me show you. Let me show you how it comes. It comes like this, sealed. This is my phone. This is my 17 Pro Max that I bought about 4.something million. This is 128 GB iPhone XR that was modified to 17 Pro. We have 3 different colors, so let me unbox it. It comes sealed. It comes sealed in carton with charger. It comes with a charger. Bro, look at it. Look at this shit. They even sealed the back, bro. Jesus Christ. So it has 3 colors. This phone can do airdrop. It does everything. Just that saying an SR the inside for inside 17 Pro body. That's the only thing. And it's selling for 450k. Don't go and buy the one they sell second-hand SR. I will give you 6 months warranty. If you get it to one within 6 months, I'll give you your money back. You understand? This is 17 Pro. You can do airdrop. You can do everything. The camera is okay. Everything is okay. Don't go and buy the one they don't use for Nigeria. Come begin the Nigerian man lose. This is daily from China. Now China do them. Now from China bring and come. Don't go and do the one they use for Nigeria. This XR that was modified to 17 Pro. It has different colors. This is one color. Let me show you that color. This is the orange color. This is the gold color. 3 colors.
I see one advert where you do now about iPhone XR that have been modified to iPhone 17 Pro. Now, the question is, what do you even know about the phone? I will give you a full breakdown of that phone and the price. Because I see you say now 450,000. You won't extort. Why? Why? But anyways, I'll give you, see, here. I'll give them breakdown now. But let's listen to your advert.
Hey guys, so this is Blord. This phone's just arrived now. Brand new SR. Brand new iPhone XR that was modified to 17 Pro. This is 128 GB iPhone XR that was modified to 17 Pro. We have 3 different colors, so let me unbox it. It comes sealed. It comes sealed in carton with charger. It comes with a charger. Bro, look at it. Look at this shit. They even sealed the back, bro. Jesus Christ. So it has 3 colors. This phone can do airdrop. It does everything. Just that saying an SR inside for inside 17 Pro body. That's the only thing. And it's selling for 450k.
All right. So what Blord is saying is true. That is an iPhone. The iPhone everybody uses. That's airdrop, very clear camera and everything. But it's an iPhone XR that have been put in the casing of iPhone 17 Pro because it actually matches. But what Blord does not know is that they have 2 types, and I'll show you the 2 types because I know say no. Me, I don't go the exact place where they do everything down to the packaging and everything. I'll take you through it now. As you can see on my screen, XR to 17 Pro, there are 2 types. There's the one that they toggle the mute button, where they push the mute button, and there's another one that's an advanced one. Where they press the button to mute. As you can see, as they come, I quickly order and made a bring down. See leather. I'll tell you the price that they come. I'll not just tell you the price, I'll tell you how to buy. See leather, wait. See leather. So if I open and say finish, you like saying dash. I go dash all this one. I don't remove the leather. See, sealed. Very sealed. See, I go tear down. Sealed. You see how I be? Sealed. Sealed again. I even 2 places there. Sealed. Sealed. See the charger. See am. See am. Cha clean. Very, very clean. Make our own now. Same size. See, exactly an iPhone 17. It's not like it's a fake or it's a copy. It's not a fake and it's not a copy. But it's just XR that's inside because XR screen size and 17 Pro screen size, they matches. The body, everything. It's just the camera and some features that have been advanced. Now, it keeps saying that it's a new one. It's a new iPhone. It's not new. There's no XR, it's not new. What they do that make it look like it is new is they get some things that they'll change. They go remove the battery, they go change them, they will put a newer battery. They'll just clean the speakers and everything. It got the package, I'll take you through it. But anyways, to cut the long story short, this is one color. I don't first see another one. I go open now. Again. I go open all 3 colors. Okay, so listen, this one too. They still put the same color mistakenly. See, new one as well. With the charger as well. I still open the 3rd one again. Then I'll come put your price on now. This is another color, as you can see. See the charger, follow them, as you can see. See, this is another color. I'll still open it, right? I don't first press on. See, it's on. Do you know when they package this phone? They package this phone in less than 5 minutes for me when I called and I ordered for it. How much is this phone? This phone is going for, to deliver them for Nigeria now, 280,000 naira. Now Blord saying at 450,000. This phone is 280. Blord own now 128 gig. I can get you the one of 256 gig. I'm going to put a number now on my screen, right? There's a number on my screen. Contact them on WhatsApp. Now me, the partner, I tell the guy, I go meet the Chinese guy. I tell him, I say, I want a cheaper one for my people. Exactly how much they sell them. If you want to add small thing. Do you understand? Then they can calculate logistics, how much they'll take transport and go Nigeria. Everything in total. And up to like 280,000 naira. 280. So if you want to buy, there's a number on your screen. You contact them. I will need to cut this video because that's number there. Me, I know you like cut video, but I'll need to cut them, then call the video again. Give me a second. Let me call. So there's a number on your screen. It's called Wanyi Phones and Accessories. Now here for China, right? 090 plus 234 090 34281962. Just to order. If you want, as many as you want. If you want 1,000 pieces, you get 1,000 pieces. And guess what? It will even be cheaper. If you want 1,000 pieces, we go see price. And this one now, this 280,000, I know price go far. I know price go far at all. So the more person buy, the more they will reduce the price. But nobody. But anyways, what am I trying to say? I will not let you extort anybody. I don't know a lot of things for this China. And as for you, Blord. Now, for the people that want to also buy an original iPhone 17, for Nigeria, they sell them 4.something million, 3.something million for a year. It not reach like that. And this is some people 3 million, 3. It not reach now 2.something they sell a year. 2.something, that's what they sell it here. Not be copy, not let them talk all those talk all China now lie. This is where they do all the one that they buy for Nigeria now. So now see what I will do. You see these phones? You go straight to go easy and take do tomorrow. See how still there, man. I'm gonna dash this out, sha. When I come, I go come Nigeria, I come dash amount. Now XR will be like 17 Pro with the carton and everything. Anyway, so the number is on the screen. One year, I beg, when I check the account number, they'll give you now. Well, if now won't pay, I should just be pay. If I say I still there, I go gather all my kaya. Give or take. Give or take. If you pay, give or take in less than 14 days, you are getting the phone. Give or take in less than 14 days, you are getting the phone. Nobody go know. And you are not getting this one where we say this thing they like this, the mute button they like this. They go don't modify them to the higher version where you go just press them, ping, you go mute. This a lot.
I have somebody that is selling cheaper than Blord and VDM. The same refurbished iPhone XR to iPhone 17 Pro Max. Somebody that I trust so well that stays in China said he's selling his own for 200k, 125 gig, then 220, 256 gig. So for those that would like to order through me, I will drop the number in the comment section. Yes, the same thing, the same phone, the same power button, the same silent button, everything. It looks like iPhone 17 Pro Max, exactly. But it's not iPhone 17 Pro Max, it's XR refurbished. Just the same thing that Very Dark Man showed, and the same thing that Blord showed. Yes, but this person is selling both cheaper, both the Blord's price and VDM's price. So I would want you guys to buy through me, because I will not lie, I have my own percentage. Yes, I'm an influencer, and I must bring what is cheaper to my people in Nigeria. Yes, this is not spoiling somebody's business. I'm doing my own business. I'm chasing my own money the same way everybody's chasing their own money. VDM is chasing his own money. Blord is chasing his own money. Me, I'm chasing my own money. I'm selling cheaper now. I'll drop the number in the comment section. You can contact the number. Yes, it's guaranteed. Nobody will eat your money. If you are buying 125 gig or 128 gig, you are buying for 200k. 256 gig, you are buying for 220k.
The XR to 17, I don't scatter the carton. So time don't reach. I go remove all this carton back. They go repackage them. You go watch them. You go see how they repackage them again with another newer carton and you go neat. And also I just buy this 211. This one, I boost the battery. You go see everything. They go package this 11 now to new one. Put them for carton, put charger, put everything. So more go make it go. I go remove everything for your phone. They will repackage them. New carton. New carton. This carton. New one. Package again. Yeah, new carton, everything. Full package. See, I don't remove old carton. Just watch the magic. All this carton now. Full package. I will carry all this one now. That's how they want to run. 17 Pro carton. Then we finish this 11 too, carton. Charger, carton, everything. See, I say don't bring new carton and do. Yeah, no, put the camera on it.
Yes, charger, everything. Now I get the option to select. Yes. Yes.
啥改的？
Mm.
啥改的就不能？
Yes. You see the package here. Everybody just want to come off. Yes. Don't put the seat for the carton. Very good. That's one. No new one.
叉二没有，叉二没
New
有
one，
没有新的，没有。有 Miron， 有还要新的，
新的
对，
没有新的。
没有新的
No new one.
，no new one。
那个你看见了没有？还是说
This one.
在哪里？
This guy.
喂，你好，
叉二。
对，有啊，有28，
有个12，
不行
This like 11 now.
，12，
XR.
没有，
So, yeah, go. So you see this?
喂，你好，
你好。
有叉二有啊？没有，
No XR.
有新的，新的，连
No new one.
连 neat one，
Okay,
but not
neat
new,
one,
but not new, yeah。我看看。
So as you can see, there's no new iPhone XR in the market, but they have a neat one that they've boosted the battery. As you can see, the battery is 100% and it has been boosted. So this is what we are going to do. Because I don't want to buy an XR, I will go and buy an iPhone 11. Because all this one that this woman have here, they've already boosted the battery. So let me show you how the
Oh, people on the other platform, sorry about, I've been speaking with my mic off. So I believe by now you should be hearing me. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. What we're talking about is the issue of exploitation by retail businesses in Nigeria, which is predominated by Igbos. And the moral background of the fight by VDM is what many people are looking at it as a target and a fight against Igbo businesses in Nigeria using VDM, because he's trying to, break the margin, the profit margin, which is exploitative, like we've said while the mic was. I'm just trying to recap on what I've been saying before the mic went, before I put on the mic. So I'm trying to let us look at it from all sides, because here we speak undiluted truth, so that Nigerians will understand the root cause of their problem and where they should start tackling it from. Now, for a start, VDM had gone to China, which is the bedrock of importation in Nigeria, by Igbos. And this one, they call this iPhone 17, SR, and the rest of them, had been at the center of the controversy. Blord had come forward from the video we've just watched to say this is how much he's selling it, and blah, 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 and all of those things. And VDM is saying even the price that the guy is saying is it could be gotten far cheaper. And another person had come out again to say he can even sell cheaper, and that is what business is all about. Business is all about the price. The price is being controlled by the market force. That is what it is. Prices are being controlled by the market force, but government plays a big role to ensure that there is price control, especially on the part of getting things that are original and not substandard. Now, what VDM is doing is from the moral perspective that these retailers who are predominantly Igbo importers from China are exploiting Nigerians, especially at this time that Nigerians are going through hardship. Nigerians are going through the worst part of their life. And this exploitation got to stop. That is the fight of VDM. Going to China and telling the people that you can even stay in your house and import these goods, or bring in these goods, buy goods from China directly without the middlemen or the retailers who are importing them. Fine and good. Now, when you look at it, and now on the other side of it, a businessman who is making this importation is considering the risk of doing business in Nigeria. The risk of doing business in Nigeria is something that even VDM may not be able to cope with if he ventures to become a businessman, because some people are saying the best, in fact, from my own opinion, not just people saying, the best thing he could do if he has the financial muscle is to go into the business. Get a warehouse, get a shop, and import these goods and crash the prices. Because this is the failure of government. VDM is trying to stand in between the gap, between the people and the failure of government. You got what I'm saying?
Control.
Exactly. So, but VDM as an individual do not have the powers. He does not have the economic might to dictate the price all by himself, at least for now. And that is why government should be the ones that will step up to do this. But Nigeria is what it is. Nigeria has become what it is, that everything goes. Okay? So there is no price control from the government, and the environmental factors and the risk of doing business in Nigeria, if you put it together, it justifies some of the activities of these people. in Nigeria, businesses are not insured. You might go in import goods today, tomorrow everything gets burnt. Tomorrow you hear that your shop have been demolished and all your goods have been damaged. So the disaster in Nigeria in terms of business disasters in Nigeria is unprecedented. How do these business people cushion the impact of this risk? So they tend to say, we maximize our profit. You know, it is now a free-for-all fight. It is now the survival of the fittest. Because you have no government, because you have no people, because you don't have a government that cares about the people. So now the people are left left helpless. Okay, so that is exactly what is happening, and that is exactly what VDM must understand also, and some of our people. So, what is your take?
Okay. My take on this issue is this. Number one, what VDM is doing is what the federal government ought to have been doing.
Mm-hmm.
There should be an applause for him. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, sure. Go on.
Number two, the price, there should be price control. It's only in Nigeria that everything is brought into.
Mm-hmm.
Other countries, there are restrictions. Anything they want to throw away in other parts of the world, they bring it to Nigeria. And there must be market for it. I saw where VDM was going from shop to shop, exposing all the things they have been doing to us. How they will carry old phone and put inside iPhone, couple everything, bring it out to Nigeria. And there must be market for it. They will go and boost the phone. From 70%, they boost it to 100%. They will tell you it's 100%. Whereas it's not, no phone with that percentage allowed. So what he's doing, to me, I'm an Igbo lady, Igbo woman per se, but I cannot support evil. What he's doing is right. If we can have other people to support him, I think this country will be better.
Yeah, I agree with you. If people should support him, but there is little or nothing he can do from my own perspective other than pushing the government to do what is right to do. Everything boils down on good governance. And that is why we have brought it to the fore for discussion. You get the point?
Yes.
Exactly.
If we have, the issue we have now is bad governance.
Exactly.
If we have good governance here, I think all these things shouldn't be at play. See other countries, before anything is brought into their country, you have to check it very, very well. The standard of it, whether their country will, accept it. But Nigeria, everything goes. Everything is welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Which is not right.
That's because you have a very irresponsible government. Is everybody to himself? But the people, they don't care. The people involved, they don't. The people who are the biggest losers, they don't care.
With what VDM is doing, it will make the government, it's a reminder. It's a reminder to the government on what they're supposed to have done. It's a reminder for them to know, oh, this is a loophole in this area. Okay, let us join this young man and do it this way so that things will be right.
Yeah. In the same climb.
There are other people that can bring up that will be like the same VDM. With him now standing out like this, I pray that other people will join him and then to move the country forward.
Yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. People should join in the revolution, but it still boils down on governance. It still boils down on insisting on good governance. But from what VDM and the way he's going about it, he is directly on the business people. Like the government is not existing. Like the focus should be on the traders, not the government. And that is where we need to put things right. Because when you have an open market, when the market force is controlled by the price, okay, or what do you call it? The market force controls price, then it is no longer it shouldn't be like Blord versus VDM, because it will be like VDM is trying to make a mess of people's business, of which the same people are victims of bad governance. The same people are victims of crashed economy. Tomorrow you can buy goods. Tomorrow you can buy goods at the price of 2,1816 per dollar. The next day the dollar crashes. The next minute the dollar hits the rooftop. So uncontrolled, unpredictable economy. The people who are doing business in the most hostile business environment, taking all the risk. If anything goes wrong, it is to you and to yourself alone. Government have no hand in it. So somebody that it's like a suicide. These business people are committing or are engaging in suicide mission.
So with what you're saying now, I'm trying to deduct that maybe you feel that what VDM is doing is not that he's wrong, but that he should get centered on the government, not on individual.
Not on individual. We focus more energy on governance, because that is the center. You see, what they say, when the center could not hold, everything collapses. And that is the situation. So an ordinary person that have no government incentive, government have not added any value to him, and he's doing everything all by himself, going all out to do this business and taking all the risk. The person sets his price. Okay, I will not blame the person, but let the market force crash, just like it is now happening. Just like what we are seeing now. Even the price VDM set, people are coming forward to say, listen, we can even sell far below that price. That is what we call the market force. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
And that is also one, I can give it to VDM as a thumbs up, that at least that is a win for him and his vision. Because for him to step up to push through this line, more people are now coming up to say, look, we can even come cheaper than what even VDM is telling you that it can be afforded for. Business is, you can go and get it for 10 naira. The other person can go and get it for 5 naira. Some other person can source it for 11 naira. So it all depends on how you do it. And that is, how you get it better is solely your secret. And people thrive in business because of business secret. Without business secret, you cannot make it.
It's true.
So that is part of the things people must understand. And that is why we are trying to, put these things into proper perspective, so that nobody will see it like, this guy is spoiling Igbo people's business. This guy is coming after Igbo people's business. I don't think he is intentionally doing that. He's only born out of passion to help Nigerians to cushion the impact of bad governance. But to me, my focus more is on the governance, on the government. People, we are all victims of bad governance. Both VDM, business people, the entire Nigerian people, whether you are Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, whatever tribe, ethnicity, or your religious affiliation, we are all victims of Nigerian impunity. And that should be the uniting factor for all Nigerians today. And that is what BVI Channel 1 is centered on. And until Nigerian people realize that and embrace that, forget it. Things will continue to nosedive. Things will continue to go bad.
God will help us, this nation.
Honestly, that is what we normally get. People will say, God will help us. But I think we are going to help ourselves more in our situation today. We are supposed to help ourselves more.
Still with the help of God.
Yeah, sure.
Allow you to help yourself. How will you help?
No, God's factor is number one. But we have become a people that have left everything to God all by himself.
Even the Bible is against such.
So that's part of the things.
Faith without work is dead.
Proper dead.
Do our own, then let the part of God. God's own for him.
Confirm. All right. Yes. So that is it. And those people who are watching from the YouTube, thank you very much. I really appreciate every one of you. We are sorry about that. No sound at the beginning of the program because this mic was muted. Okay. And I'm very much sure that you are hearing very loud and clear. So we are talking about the VDM advocacy to crush the price of products being imported by Nigerians from China. So, and I've been in this discussion with Chief Financial, which is the first time I am meeting her on TikTok. We are having this conversation from TikTok. So you can always follow me on the TikTok, and if you're watching from the YouTube. And if you're watching from the TikTok, you can also follow me on the YouTube from BVI Channel 1. While those on the YouTube, you can follow me on Eduasozo on TikTok, or you can just search BVI Channel 1 and you'll be able to get me on the TikTok. Okay, so your inputs and your opinion in this matters a lot. I don't know if there are people who are asking to join. I don't know. Whatever the case might be, whoever that is joining, I really acknowledge every one of you. Sexy Mama Black Bold, Louis Jonathan Radiant. So many of you, I can't really get through some of the names. Igbo Flash, Vincent, Dest. Many of you here, thank you for coming through, and we'll continue on this program on daily basis. Then on weekends, we'll do socials. We'll talk about socials. We'll talk about personal lifestyles that impact on our society generally. So I really appreciate everyone who have joined. So far, so good. We have another story actually that we really need to delve into. I think we have, said much about this one. Let us get to the second story, which is where Coscharis called out people like Cubana chief priest. We're going to take that from the YouTube very quickly. I'll also try to play it here while it is playing from my phone for those on the TikTok. All right, let's get to that video quickly, and when I come back, we will also discuss that.
That has talked about money and water. I've never had Tony Elumeli say money and water. I never had Femi Otodala say na money na water, and I never say money na water. When I come to a function and you start those madness, start throwing money upon people, I behave like I'm going to toilet, you will not see me again. Because these are dead value system, bad culture that we have learned, and it became invoked in this state. When we are growing up, rich people don't make noise. All these people that make noise, they never see money. Tweet it to people and say that I say so. If you make money, it makes you humble. It makes you keep quiet. We have embraced very deadly bad culture. And we are using it to train our children. Money and water. Those things should stop. You shouldn't clap down for people like that. You should resent it.
So that is it. My dear, have you had this very one? The money and water from Coscharis. That one loud though. That one too loud. Money and water. There's nothing I can explain here better than you have had it, because it is in a plain truth. Me, I don't fancy such lifestyle myself. Despite the fact I'm not rich. Some people will say it is a poverty mentality. Thank God you are hearing it from a billionaire himself. And true, you will not hear these things from really rich people, even in Nigeria. The only people that make noise about the wealth they have accumulated are those who have gotten it through the back door. That those who did not get it through the means of tenacity and hard work, but through shortcuts, who know who, those who are beneficiaries of the impunity in this country, those who have been patronized by corruption of the system. Now them they talk say money and water, including the political class, the way their children and their they themselves behave. You see that practically they are living the life of money and water, throwing it at the face of anyone that cares or comes by. And that is one of the biggest problems of this country. I know some people will say, no, it is their business. It's their money. They can do it anyhow. They can show it off anyhow. But I must tell you, make you not go use the money where you are using to hold yourself, your business, to go and do show off in an event, in a Bugatti cash. And not worry you go. But I know it's EFCC have taught our people, forgive me, I'm trying to damp my eyes, I had Romoma recently. I'm having eye problem. I'm supposed to be resting the eye, but I've vowed to start this program on TikTok. Currently, I am streaming live on TikTok. So in case you're not yet following me there, you can please try as much as possible to do follow me there. Okay? So I'm streaming on TikTok. So endeavor to look out for it and be part of this very platform. This is the very first time I'm coming live, and I'll be ending this live in 6 minutes time by 11 o'clock local time. Okay, so the last one that I'm going to talk about before I wrap it up is the Nigerian federal government denying the position of American government that Christian genocide is going on in Nigeria. Yes, They believe that that position is unfounded or it is politically motivated. But an American have given Reno Omokri, that man that is mocking himself on the social media, a huge knock in the head on live interview on Arise Television. Let us quickly go through that. And when I come back, we'll start wrapping up for today. Stay tuned and don't go away. I'll be right back.
I don't understand why a nation that's as mineral rich and growing as Nigeria has to go and beg from Uncle Sam for help serving their own people. Nigerians have plenty of resources to help these people get back, or at least get something where they can have stability and a life. Now they're denied, they're ground down, they're called criminals, they're called vagrants. Their homes are bulldozed with no warning. It's a horrific life that these people are living, and nobody's here. I mean, why should it be? You don't want America to come here and say anything about terrorism, but you want their money? That doesn't make sense to me whatsoever.
All right, we are back again, and we are still live right here. All right, that is the last story for today. We talked about the position of American government with respect to Christian genocide. Why Nigerian government are disgracing themselves, and the person of Reno Omokri dancing naked on any available media platform in the name of marketing Nigeria. Marketing bad product, no day easy. And he got what he ordered for in the market. When this guy from America gave him just a word. You can imagine. Yeah? Ide eri awo man ichi iji eze na-eka awo. Iwele eze na-eka awo man ide eri awo. You don't eat frog, but you use your teeth to share it and distribute it to others. What a disgrace. Reno Omokri have gotten it very hot from that man. Very straightforward. How could you say that there is no genocide happening? There's no killing of Christians in Nigeria. Even if you say, okay, all Nigerians are being killed, which is the actual position of things, whether Christian or Muslim. People are being killed on a daily basis. Yeah? You are denying the activities of Boko Haram or terrorists or bandits. Yet, you are collecting money from the same government. You are denying their position. You are collecting money to fight terrorism, to fight banditry. Yet, you are denying the outcome or impact of terrorism or banditry. The same you is collecting money to service and upkeep people in IDP camps. The same you is denying that kind of thing no day. You see how stupid people can sound. And it is good they gave it to him as he deserves. Okay? Like I said, this live will be ending in just 2 minutes from now. And I want to take these 2 minutes to appreciate everyone, especially those of you who came to support me on this live program on TikTok. In case we are live on TikTok. Look at it. All right. So it's a pleasure that I'm serving humanity through this platform to give the people a voice and also to speak undiluted truth to power, to better our society and free humanity from the impunity of bad governance, beginning with Nigeria, the headquarters. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for being part of this program. And I hope subsequently we will continue. Wish me well and fast recovery of my eyes. That these people don't talk, say, this guy, you don't, if you see, you talk. You don't see too much. You don't talk too much. Now, they're after my eyes. No worries. Nothing is wrong much. It's just normal health challenges posed by exposing ourselves to bacteria and also multiple gadgets in our modern society. If you all surrounding me is more than 8 gadgets, phones, laptops, and the rest of them. So it's part of the hazard, but it is what it is. But we are committed to tell the people the undiluted truth, and we deserve your support, no matter how small it is. All right, on this, it's 11 o'clock on top of the hour. I am Asuchinod Peters. I'm signing out from here, hoping to come back again tomorrow. Good night, my people, from all platforms. I really appreciate you, whether you're watching from YouTube, BVI Channel 1, or you're watching from our main channel, which is BVI Channel 1, our backup channel, which is BVI Channel 1 Plus, or on our Facebook page, which is BVI Channel 1, or on our Instagram as well. We are there. And today, on TikTok. Every one of you, God bless you. Stay safe at all time and stay connected with this voice of the people. I still remain Asuchinod Peters, your advocate for good governance. Signing out from here. Bye-bye for now.